problem is your neighbor because kanang city man good, there's a lot of people ba living there. Thank you, te.
So my sister and brother, they are actually going to sell the okra.
Bapa kay ko po ni pa tindang taon bubuk ko. Dato po ni unahan niya, dato po unahan niya. Ano ko inakuan niya?
Kinakasama ko ulit ito, boy.
Dito sud.
Boy. Oh.
Pila ni siya.
Now we are on our way to visit my friend. And actually guys, it's very far. I know? Yeah. Very far. Yeah. So we go this way. Or we are still like 30 minutes away from there. Guys, this is how far your Philippine country girl living. But they think it's worth it. So let's go guys. Oh. Alam nang. Gawin sana yung pagkabalong nga pa doong may. Ay mo.
Ka-reply mo kay namalit with trialis.
Oh.
Flowers
For you. And also
cute
dresses.
Ato bala na.
Let's go.
Guwapa gid anong Marlin ay.
Taro nga sa videographer. Oy.
Mura gani siya Korea.
This is Milin
Ay,
guys.
mo me, daot na kay ka.
Yeah.
Tambok na kay
Naunsa ka ni daot day ko.
Tambok kita ko silang.
This is Filipina country girl guys. We're here guys in the northern. Wala.
Uy, ano naman daot naman ni mo Mary.
Daot day ko nang.
Oh.
Partisanan ni tambok sa.
Tutoy.
Ha? She said that I am losing weight daw guys.
Ka?
Nag-video. Okay ra video. Okay, kat termusan na ako. Asa inyo hanang? So now guys, we're here. Jazia.
Ay, cute good ana.
Asa inyong balay nung kanang kuanang? Imo. Oh, wow guys, Filipina country girl is now building her house.
Ay, cute good ani. Puro lagi ni ako ang favorite color.
Oh, pink colors.
Ako yun yung ikaw.
Pink colors. Magkuan. This is where she live, guys. Wala, diri ka nagpuyo nang?
Asa mo katute?
Nasa kay signal diri nang? Ano, audio di signal diri. Please.
Please, mommy, please.
Hindi yung dako na yung bata.
Ay mo, tatang ganda si Bella.
Bella? Mag-video ko na ha. We're going to do a house raid for this Filipina. Very... Amo, ninang. Hala nang nice nang...
Ikaw na nako. Dito bito nag-ingon nga ka nang we're reviewing your...
Apil?
Oh? Iwa pa na ako na...
So guys, we are going to... Milin is going to bring us. She's going to bring us. Gunita daw day. She's going to bring us to her pig farm. Pig farm. for
Pila ko na kwarta.
Hi guys. So Milin is going to show us. Can you show us where is your pig?
This way, everyone.
Wala na kami
Just got only for... Ha? Unsa day?
Dili.
So,
What do you have here?
I have 4 pigs here. so yeah.
How much is this one before you bought this one?
When I brought this pig when I brought this one, each piglets it costs 4,500. So
4,500. And
So,
then how
mga-
many months are they now?
almost 2 months na.
2 months? Then, like every month, how much do you think you are going to pay for the food for them?
I brought kuan man 2 sacks if their foods is already no more, and then the free starter food is a little bit expensive good siya. Na siya sa mga 2,000 plus. But right now is they already grower. So 1 sack each is 1,900. So I brought it 2 sacks.
So like
Yeah.
for how many months are they consumed for like one sacks?
Kuan gud siya dili siya sama ni siya about 1 month ba?
It's like less than a month,
Mga
it's like-
mga 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Oh.
So every month like they consume 2 sacks,
Mm.
4 of them.
Mm.
Okay, so like around 4,000. Let's say 4,000 for like a month per month. 4,000 and then, well, actually it's a good business. Do you think so? It's a good business for you?
Yes, but right now is I can say it since we are right now in sa to ba
Yeah.
crisis, so the each kanang kilo of this kwan is siya decrease.
Decreasing.
Yeah.
Really, the pigs right now is decreasing because of this crisis.
Yeah. The each kilo of kanang the pig is kuan decreasing, but the food is increasing.
Yeah,
So yeah, that's it.
it's not fair. Maybe you could sell them through like Mang Inasal. Or like Inasal, not Mang Inasal, because they're selling some
We are going to sell this one by kuan kilo.
by kilo.
Oh, not for lechon.
Not for lechon. So if you're going to sell them for kilo, they think you can still got all the money, the expenses you
I think yes, but just a little kuan. Unsay English siya ng tubo.
a little bit, increase a little bit only. So
For
it's not
now.
the same as before.
Oh.
But are you excited to
Yes.
order them?
Yes. But I think I'm gonna sige English anang magbili ng isa.
But you're going to leave one of them.
Yes.
For
For
like a baby girl. For them to kanang, to
no for
multiply
kuan
or
the
like
for
Jizia?
Jizzy. For Jizzy's birthday.
Jizia's birthday. But you're not planning to buy more?
I'm planning to buy more.
After that, then still like
Yeah. But I think if I can't buy more, I will gonna go for the mother. Unsa na siya?
mother.
So that
Can multiply.
so that they can multiply.
That's actually,
Yeah, that's it.
actually good idea. Yeah.
What's it siya?
I would do the same as well if I were you.
Yeah, you can do it.
in my
But it's
house,
good
we're
man
not
sad.
allowed. We're
Mo
not
ba?
allowed, yeah.
Pwede man ka maghimo og septic.
Septic tank, right?
Na may septic diha.
You have septic
Oh,
tank too?
because my neighbor also it's not they are not kanang agree if we're not going to kanang create a septic tank because the poop is very smelly and stinky, so that's why I create a septic.
Septic tank.
Yeah, so if you're going to make this like this for me, and then if you're not allowed to go there,
Does it cost? Just this one?
mga almost 30 paubos.
Almost 30,000?
30
Wow.
Kay, I'm in a countryside ba yan, and the price here, the price is not like in Kuan, and then especially the transportation also, and the labor of the workers. That's it.
Yeah, I got it. For like she have this kind of business, guys, to like for like almost 30,000, just because in the countryside they need to transport it more, especially she live kind of away from the city. That's why right now,
Yes.
yeah, that's why. But if you live in the center, maybe you're gonna get less more.
Yeah.
Practice pa ko ti.
Kana na lang atong drive sayon ra kayo. Kuya ra ba nagproblema ra biya siyang asawa sa unya pagsuyo. Kanaut na siya kuan. Karang pick up lines.
Ikaw blind.
Madahan ko ni Papa Jo. Dear Papa Jo.
Ako ang asawa.
Dapat
Ingan lang na po ka ng...
ako na po.
Eh, si Junior dapat eh.
Ano bro? Pisa tamay dayo kaya para makatuntog.
Highway na tatay. Napahog ko'y bahala mo na rin.
Oh, banking na ate oh.
Anan yun ang practice. Practice ko huho ka
Ni
rin.
parihara magkamera sa akong kuan.
Sabang magkikay kong tutor na rin.
Imo siya trato tayo maya?
Practice ko huho ko.
Oh, parihara ni. Ah,
Sabang ay kay tutor.
Dakol tani mo ya.
Ay, wala. Nag ano mo yan?
parihara man na.
Wala, dam truck yung practice na ka to.
Ah,